Welcome back to the channel, everybody, where I am super excited to be making this burger. I've been wanting to make it for a long time, and this burger is called the Juicy Lucy. Instead of cheese on the outside, there is going to be ooey gooey cheese in between the patty. And then when you bite into this thing, there's going to be nothing but hot lava of cheese coming out of this burger. Apparently there's 2 establishments in Minneapolis, Minnesota that claim credit for this burger. Whichever one actually gets to claim the credit for this burger, it's awesome. Let's get this cook started. It's 99 degrees outside. I got nothing else better to do than stand over a hot grill. Let's get it going. Alright, here we go. We're going to make these burgers. We got some ribeye beefsteak burgers, and we're going to use 2 patties to make one, and in between the patties we're going to put all the goodness. Let's get started. Alright, I'm going to make one for me, and I'm going to make 2 super hot ones for a couple guys at work that think they like their stuff hot. We'll see how hot they like their stuff. But for right now, I'm going to make mine, and I'll get the other 2 going. Okay, I use these pre-made burgers to save some time. Let's get the cheese in the middle. Okay, what you want to do is take 1 piece of cheese and quarter it and put it in the middle of one of the patties. Just like this. I'm going to put a little bit extra on my burger because I like it cheesy. So I'm going to do 2. Now you take the other patty, put it up on top, press it down a little bit, and now you got to merge the ends together to make it one patty. One down, 2 very, very spicy ones to go. Let's see if these guys can handle it. Okay, Mac and Kenny, these ones are for you. Let's start off with a little Thai chili pepper. Okay, next we're going to add 2 seasonings that have ghost pepper, habanero, all the hot crap. Let's see if they can handle it. And then I have some ghost pepper cheese for the inside. I'm going to put another half a slice on each one. And if they can handle that, they can definitely handle some jalapeno slices. Okay, let's get these burgers covered up with the other patties. There's one. And here's the second one. These babies are going to be thick. Alright, I'll get them formed up like the other one, and I'll be back. Alright, we got the coals ready. Let's get some onions on here and get them caramelizing. Alright, let's get these burgers on. These two are the spicy ones. Alright, the onions are going. Let's get these burgers cooked low and slow. And just for the heck of it, I am going to add a little bit more hot spice to their burgers. And I'll do the other side once I flip it. Oh yeah. They're going to wish they didn't ask for a hot burger. Onions are starting to cook real nice. We'll get them caramelized. Alright, let's get this lid covered up. Alright, let's give these burgers a flip. Onions are coming on beautifully. And as promised, we're going to add some more seasoning. Alright, that should do it. I don't make these guys cry. Ooh, that sucker's hot. Not much longer on the onions. Alright, let's get this closed back up. Alright, we're going to give these a quick temp. Not even close to be done.
Not even close, bud.
Okay, let's get them cooking some more. Get the cover back on. Alright, now it's time to get these directly over the coals. That's done. That one's done. And that one is definitely done. Let's get these burgers off. All right, let's get this Juicy Lucy built. We got the bottom bun. We put a little barbecue sauce on there. We are going to put the burger on there. A little more barbecue sauce. And we're going to add some caramelized onions. And we're going to add some pickles. And that's about as simple as we're going to make it. And maybe just a tick more barbecue sauce. And there we have it. Let's get this sucker cut open. See how well we did with the cheese. Alright, here we go. That's a good sign. Oh yeah, there we go. The Juicy Lucy, barbecue style. Let's give it a taste test. It's a very messy burger, but very delicious. Different experience having the cheese on the inside. It's not bad at all. I really like it. I will definitely be making these again. As always, thank you for watching. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. If you're a normal subscriber, I really appreciate you supporting my channel. And remember one thing, if I can cook it, you can cook it. Stop making boring food. Thank you for watching, everybody. I'll catch you on the next one.